How's everybody doing? For those of you that are thinking about putting a leveling kit on your 5th gen Ram 1500, this is a Ready Lift 2-inch front leveling kit with the reinforced upper control arms. I went back and forth between possibilities of a lift kit or a leveling kit, and I wasn't sure for a while, but I decided to go with the leveling kit to keep more of a factory ride and keep more of my warranties in place. I just got this installed today and it rides great, just as good as a different factory, if not better. Now, the reason I said that I like the Ready Lift with the reinforced upper control arms is from the factory. The upper control arms are like a poly plastic, and when you get to lifting it, they just don't seem like they'd be very reliable. So I went with this kit. It's an awesome kit, it's affordable, and it looks and rides great. There's just a huge difference between right now and this morning when I left the driveway. So if you're looking for a leveling kit and you're not really sure which one to go with, I recommend the Ready Lift with the upper control arms, and I would stay away from the puck lifts unless you're getting control arms and everything separate, just because that's not a full setup and it gets everything out of calibration, out of sync with each other, and causes parts to wear out. So if you're going to get one, just do it right the first time. Get your upper control arms, and if you go with the 2-inch Ready Lift with the upper control arms, I know you won't regret it, because this is what you can expect, and obviously it speaks for itself. It looks great and I love it. Thanks for watching. If you like this and want to see more stuff to come, just hit the like button, follow me. I'll post more as I build more and do more. Thanks.